everyone, this is Jane here. Excuse my croaky voice. I'm just here to show you how I'm going to do one of the signature covers for my magical forest, enchanted forest journal that I'm working on. I just wanted to show you how I'm going to do this signature cover. This is a picture from our calendar, as you can see. It's quite glossy and I'm not a fan of the whole glossiness. So I've cut out the section of the picture from the calendar that I want to use, and I'm just going to show you how I dull that image down. I do it by putting a layer of tissue over the top. You can use something like gesso, but I haven't found that gesso really mats it down in the way that I wanted it to do. Maybe I'm not using the right sort. So I'm going to put a single ply of tissue over the top of this image. And I've actually pulled the tissue apart already, but I suddenly thought while I was doing it, I should have done that on camera. So I'll do another one just to show you how I do it, because it can be difficult to actually pull these apart. So I just get like a napkin, unfold it like that, and then I just use a piece of tape to pull off a little bit like that, and then you can separate it. So you can keep that single ply, and you know, either use it as a whole or that'll be enough for what I want. So I'll just show you how to get the other one off, because this is a 3-ply, so we've got to do that a couple of times to get down to the single. There we go. So that gives us something to get hold of, saves trying to pull it apart and trying to be really fiddly. So that is that all down to a single ply now. So I'll use this one. So as you can see, it's going to mat everything down. So that's our single ply, and then I use just an ordinary Scotch permanent glue stick. You could probably use something as simple as Pritt for this, because it's not heavy, that what you're sticking on. It's very, very light. So I just go over the whole thing. You want to make sure you're going to get the edges, corners especially. There we go. So that's our glue on there. And then rub your fingers, get as much of the glue off of your fingers as you can so you don't end up with your napkin stuck to your hands. And then literally just lay it down. I try and put it lightly at first so that I can try and put it down without too many wrinkles. I don't mind the odd wrinkle in it though, because I think that adds to it really. So once you have smoothed it out and stuck it down, just turn it over. Try not to get it stuck too much to your glue mat. You turn that over. And then I just trim this off. I mean, you can literally do it with like a sanding block or a nail file if you find cutting difficult. But I don't mind it. that's our leftover bit over there. And now we have a signature cover that is all doled down and matte. This is to go into my magical forest mini journal. So what I've done is, this is this page size, and I've made this a bit bigger because I tend to want the signature covers to be a little bit bigger so that all of the pages fit inside. And it may be that I trim that down to go with this, with the pages. For now, that is one of my signature covers done. I think the other covers I'm going to do with a book page that from a botanical book, but that'll just be much more simple. It doesn't need the tissue or anything over it. So thank you very much for watching. Sorry this is short and sweet, but I've got a real problem with my throat at the moment, so I'm very croaky. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye for now.